Today what we're doing is we're cleaning the pool. Stagnant water, nasty looking green water in there. So I have a pump we do to drain out all of this, and it's right there, it's working. It's gonna suck out all this green water. Ew, look at that, horrible. And see, the hose comes this way, all the way around. Worse, follow it. There, it's draining. See that nasty water? It's draining. Okay, all right. So, like every year we do, we're gonna transform this pool into a super clean and clear pool, ready for summer. All right. And there's the boy that started it all. Hey, say hey. He's the one that started scooping up all the leaves that are in there and cleaned it. And as you can see, they're all here on the side. All right. Ew, nasty looking. All right. And I'm here, all right, helping him out. We're all working together. We'll see you in a little bit. Okay, almost done. Just a little bit more. And clean, and then start refilling. Okay, so we're getting there. Not quite yet. Got to do a little bit more shocking treatment here. Leave it for a day or two, and this should clear out. Okay, so what we do is we run the filter, provided that the water level is above the intake valves right there, and it is. All right, and I'm still filling it. Yeah, I got my hose right there, still running. So we're going to turn the filter on. Okay, right there, and the wire's right here, and I put a cover on it just in case it rains. It's not going to get wet, the connection. All right, so let's turn this one on by pressing reset. There you go. Put the cover. It's running, you can hear it. And the water is coming out. The filter is starting to work. The next thing what we're going to do is we're going to get the shock system. This is what I'm going to use. You can either buy HDH shock system, but I use this Clorox shock. Okay, treatment 4-in-1 formula. All right, so just cut that open and just spread it evenly around the pool. All right, let's leave it all night. It's best to apply this at night. Okay, so like around a little after 5 o'clock here. Now in a few hours it's going to be dark, so it's just perfect. Because when the sun is out, it usually quickly evaporates, or the sun evaporates or deactivates the shock system quicker than it is at nighttime. So that's what we're going to do. Open this and just spread the powder all over the pool. All right. So I got my scissors. Just cut that. Now I go. All right. and just go all the way around. Okay, the pull. Okay, I would use 2 on this because see how green it was before. Okay, go around. I just go all the way around. And I just kind of like use the paddle to mix it. Kind of like mix it up a little bit. All right, I'm gonna have to put this camera down in order to be able to work with this paddle better with 2 hands. All right, but you got the idea. All right, and I'm gonna let that filter run all night long.